Hey, shut the fuck up.
Got him. This is our last chance on Nation. Got all.
Do it right now.
That's really like a dog.
Ready?
Okay, I'm on it. Whoa, wait.
Purple hat, gray undershirt, red shorts. Amazing.
There's a winner right there, man. Ooh, buddy.
Oh, definitely gonna horn him.
Oh, yeah.
Or her.
Dear Jesus, that lady's got moose knuckles.
Catching this chick.
Alright, go for it.
Keep going.
Go for it.
Did they even? Hey, on the board!
Do you like this?
Jesus Christ.
Every time you vote for me, Chuck Norris does not kick baby.
Hey, your daddy was a chicken farmer, wasn't he? Because you sure know how to raise a cock. Ma'am, you're really hot and I'm really ugly. Do you want to make average babies? Oh, okay, just checking.